Today you'll be taking the pretest for Chapter 12. Remember to put your name, date, and class period at the top of the page. Now this is a pretest, so this means you haven't studied the information yet. So answer each question as best you can, and we understand that you haven't yet read the material. Section 1 are true-false. So you need to write true or false on the line, or T or F is okay too. Number 1, John Quincy Adams was the son of earlier President John Adams. I can't read what's under there. I think it's just John Adams. Number 2, true or false, Andrew Jackson was re-elected president in 1832. Number 3, true or false, in 1828, Andrew Jackson was selected as the Republican presidential candidate. Number 4, the Whigs' campaign slogan for the 1840 election was Tippecanoe and Tyler too. Number 5, once he became president, Jackson fired many federal employees and replaced them with his supporters. Number 6, John C. Calhoun believed individual states had the right to nullify federal laws. The next section is matching. Match each item, each word on the right with the correct statement on the left. Here's the word list. A, bureaucracy. B, Democrats. C, mudslinging. D, Republicans. E, the corrupt bargain. Number 7. This is the name given to an alleged deal between Clay and Adams in the 1824 election. Number 8. This group favored states' rights in the 1828 election. Number 9. This is a system where appointed officials, not elected ones, carry out laws. Number 10. Political parties that wanted a strong central government. This was the political party that wanted a strong central government in 1828. Number 11. This is an attempt to ruin a candidate's personal reputation. The last two are fill in the blank. I'm not going to have a word bank at the moment because there are only two. Number 12. In 1834, Congress set aside an area for Native Americans in most of what is today this state. Number 13. The trail where they cried is also called the Trail of blank. Page 2. The rest of the test is multiple choice, so indicate the best answer choice that completes the statement or answers the question. Number 13. Which group decided the 1824 United States presidential election? Did the Electoral College do that? B, the House of Representatives. C, the popular vote. D, the Vice President. Number 14. Which case determined that the existence of the Second Bank of the United States was constitutional? Was that A, the Cherokee Nation versus Georgia? B, Jackson versus Oklahoma? C, McCulloch versus Maryland? Or D, Worcestershire versus Georgia? Number 15. Which act did Congress pass to force the relocation of Native Americans? Was that called A, the Alien Act, B, the Indian Removal Act, C, the Naturalization Act, or D, the Relocation Act? Number 16. Which president persuaded Congress to create an independent national treasury in 1840? Was it A, Clay, B, Jackson, C, Van Buren, or D, Webster? Number 17. Winning candidates who give government jobs to their supporters are making use of which of the following? Is that A, the laissez-faire, B, executive privilege, C, the Electoral College, or D, the spoils system? The quote reads, This election is a contest between an honest patriotism on the one side and an unholy selfish ambition on the other. It's from a convention resolution of Republicans in Saratoga County, New York. Number 18. These words that I just read were placed on a handbill during the 1828 presidential campaign, and they are an example of what? Would that be an example of A, bureaucracy, B, mudslinging, C, rumors, or D, the spoils system? On page 3, we start with number 19. Presidential candidates who received the backing of their home states rather than that of the national party are called what? A, a favorite son candidate, B, a home state candidate, C, a national party candidate, or D, a state party candidate. Number 20. President Jackson believed the Bank of the United States, A, should be supported at all cost, B, unfairly favored poor people, C, unfairly favored wealthy people, or D, was corrupt. Number 21. 2 months after President Martin Van Buren took office, the United States entered into A, a severe depression, B, a light recession, C, an international profit trade era, or D, a prosperity era. Number 22. Which symbol did the Whigs adopt for themselves during the 1840 election? Was it A, a bank, B, a donkey, C, a log cabin, or D, an elephant? Number 23. Who are the only Native Americans who successfully resisted their removal? Was it A, the Cherokee, B, the Fox, C, the Sauk, or D, the Seminoles? Number 24. The Cherokee, Creek, Seminole, Chickasaw, and Choctaw people were collectively known as A, the 5 civilized tribes, B, the 5 warrior tribes, C, the Native American nation, D, the Native American people.